Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be discussing a very interesting and relevant topic, how to earn with cryptocurrencies. If you're a beginner in the world of crypto, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing some practical tips that will help you get started on the right foot and maximize your earning potential. So, without further ado, let's get started. First tip, do thorough research. The first piece of advice I want to give you is to do thorough research on the different cryptocurrencies available. Find out which projects are solid, which have a strong supportive community, and which have the potential to grow over time. Read white papers, study the team behind the project, and evaluate its future prospects. Having a solid understanding will give you an advantage in making informed investment decisions. Second tip, diversify your portfolio. Another fundamental advice is to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different cryptocurrencies to reduce risk and maximize earning opportunities. However, remember to do your research and carefully evaluate each investment before making a decision. Third tip, choose the right exchange platform. Choosing a reliable and secure exchange platform is crucial for earning with cryptocurrencies. Make sure to use a platform with a good reputation, low transaction costs, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Read reviews and seek feedback from users to make an informed decision. Fourth tip, learn the basics of trading. If you want to earn through cryptocurrency trading, it's important to learn the basics. Study the concepts of technical and fundamental analysis, learn to read charts, and understand market trends. Acquiring trading skills will help you make better decisions and navigate the market more confidently. Fifth tip, use the dollar cost averaging strategy. A common strategy for investing in cryptocurrencies is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount regularly over time, regardless of the current price of the cryptocurrency. This strategy reduces the impact of price fluctuations and allows you to accumulate cryptocurrencies consistently over time. Sixth tip, protect your security. Security is crucial when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Protect your funds by using secure digital wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and make sure to keep your private keys safe. Avoid sharing sensitive information online and be wary of scams. In conclusion, earning with cryptocurrencies can be a rewarding endeavor, especially for beginners who take the time to educate themselves and follow practical strategies. By conducting thorough research, diversifying your portfolio, choosing the right exchange platform, learning trading basics, implementing dollar cost averaging, and prioritizing security, you can increase your chances of success in the crypto space. It's important to approach cryptocurrency investments with a long-term mindset, as the market can be volatile and subject to fluctuations. Stay informed about the latest trends, news, and regulations in the crypto industry to make informed decisions. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it's crucial to only invest what you can afford to lose. As you embark on your cryptocurrency journey, don't hesitate to seek guidance from experienced traders and engage in communities where you can learn from others. The crypto space is vast and constantly evolving, offering a wide range of opportunities for those willing to put in the effort to understand and navigate it. Lastly, be patient and maintain realistic expectations. Building wealth with cryptocurrencies takes time and requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and perseverance. Don't be discouraged by temporary setbacks or market downturns. Instead, focus on continuous learning and improvement. Thank you for joining me in this video on practical tips for beginners to earn with cryptocurrencies. I hope the information shared here will serve as a solid foundation for your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Best of luck in your cryptocurrency endeavors, and I'll see you in future videos.